What is up, you guys? My name is Andrew and this is Wanna Crypto, your guide in the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more difficult cryptocurrency terms made easy. Extra, we have some crypto news today. In today's issue, an apocalypse threat of the 51%. Bitcoin market dynamics suspiciously looking like dynamics of shares of marijuana producers. And the community's forecast for the price of bitcoins. Let's jump right in. The head of Lightning Labs shows an increase in the number of 51% attacks on altcoins. During the final panel discussion at the Baltic Honey Badger 2018 conference, Elizabeth Stark, the head of the California startup Lightning Labs, suggested that double spending attacks on altcoin blockchains in the coming year will occur much more often since the cost of such attacks falls. She also stressed that she was eagerly awaiting the implementation of Schnorr's signatures in the main protocol of Bitcoin. In addition, in her opinion, in the coming year more and more users will start using the Lightning Network with smartphones. Former Bitgo engineer and developer of multi-sig infrastructure in Casa, Jameson Lab, added that in the near future competitors will not be able to shift the Bitcoin from the first place. The cryptocurrency market in the green zone. Ripple bypassed Ethereum by capitalization, but not for long. On Friday, September 21st, all top 10 digital currencies on CoinMarketCap showed solid growth. Against the backdrop of the positive news about the full-scale launch of the XRapid product and new RippleNet partnerships, the cost of the XRP token increased by more than 60% over the past day, breaking the psychological mark of 60 cents. The Ethereum rate also increased by almost 8% and hit $228, but all this didn't last long, and the Ethereum, giving second place to Ripple for a while, quickly returned its position at around $250. Poll: the community sees Bitcoin in the 8,000–10,000 range by the end of the year, or really wants to see it. Analytical resource Crypto Inferno conducted a survey among its subscribers, finding out what Bitcoin rate they expect by the end of 2018. It turned out that the majority of respondents, 29.7%, expect gradual growth in the area of 8K–10K. The second group, 18.9%, is even more optimistic and believes that by the end of the year, the first cryptocurrency will be able to return to the range of 10K–12K. Actually, this is also expected by the analysts of Crypto Inferno themselves. They also believe that we shouldn't discount the possibility of a rally on the eve of the new year. Nevertheless, almost an equal number of respondents expect Bitcoin to flatline in the region of 5K–6K or a drop up to 3,000. And again, let's talk about conspiracy theories. Infowars, rest in peace. Oh, I love these topics. The theory states that reason for the popularity of hidden mining was the alleged development of the United States National Security Agency. According to a study by Cyber Threat Alliance, the cybersecurity company, the cases of hidden cryptocurrency mining increased by 459% compared to the previous year. A significant increase could be connected with the use of the Eternal Blue exploit, which is considered to be partially developed by the NSA. Eternal Blue exploits vulnerabilities in the Windows operating system. Previously, the program was attacked by the WannaCry virus. In April 2017, the hacking group The Shadow Brokers informed the world about the secret developments of the NSA, which they allegedly began to use for covert mining. This year, the Cyber Threat Alliance recorded over 150,000 cases of hidden mining. According to the research, rapid growth doesn't foreshadow further reduction of hacking activity in this area. Analysts noted that the organizers of attack are increasingly choosing Internet of Things devices and are actively using routers, smart TV, game consoles and even DVRs. Analysts of the Cyber Threat Alliance have suggested that in the long term, when national cryptocurrencies become a pervasive phenomenon, hidden mining can become a way of hidden warfare to destabilize the economy. Again, we here at YouTube will miss you, Alex. Every day people find some vulnerabilities in the network, and every day the whole crypto market is on the verge of a collapse. Here is another news on the same topic. A critical vulnerability of Bitcoin code was eliminated that threatened the network for 2 years. On Tuesday, September 18th, an unscheduled release of the Bitcoin Core client under version 0.16.3 took place. that eliminated a critical vulnerability that threatened a DDoS attack on the network. The exploitation of the bug was, however, not an easy task, and fortunately no one took advantage of it. As they say in the accompanying developer comments, the vulnerability was reported by the user who wished to remain anonymous. The bug exploit allowed a potential attacker to disrupt almost 90% of the nodes, and only 12.5 BTC would be required to carry out the attack, the size of the award currently received by the miners for the block found. Fast Internet Bitcoin Relay Engine, built in Bitcoin Core and designed to speed up the distributions of blocks, could make the situation even worse. The founder of the Galaxy Digital Bank, Mike Novogratz, noted that the shares of marijuana producers mirror last year's dynamic of Bitcoin. Mike is convinced that the actions of legal marijuana producers in the United States demonstrate explosive growth, similar to the dynamics of Bitcoin and Ethereum in December 2017. As with the cryptocurrency market, the billionaire is confident in the growth of the industry in the long term, I suppose due to him already starting to invest in this area. And another study. DIA find out that more than 55% of all bitcoins are in wallets with a balance of over 200 BTC, almost $1.3 million. It's noteworthy that 1/3 bitcoins from these wallets never participated in outgoing transactions. According to DIA, this may indicate the loss of personal keys or a strong belief in the future of the cryptocurrency on the part of the owners. In addition, 42% of the owners of these wallets didn't sell assets during the period of maximum prices in December. At the same time, 27% have since continued to increase the number of bitcoins. As their analysts said, some of these wallets belong to crypto exchanges. 3.8% of all bitcoins, worth about $4.2 billion, are stored on the 5 largest wallets, which most likely serve as a reserve capital for trading platforms. The study also shows that 87% of bitcoins are stored on wallets with a balance of over 10 BTC. This is 0.7% of all existing wallets. 62% of the cryptocurrency is on wallets with a balance of over 100 BTC, 0.1% of all wallets. There is also a study that shows that users have lost Bitcoin wallets worth about $20 billion. Thank you for watching, take care of yourself and your wallet. In the meantime, give me a thumbs up and check out my other videos. See you in the next one. Peace!